Hello, this is Mark Denham, radio presenter, audio producer, podcaster, and voiceover. Today on the audio journey, we're looking at track effects versus clip effects. Here you can see we have a load of different files loaded, and these are just dry versions of DJ drops that I have recorded. And there they are. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favourite tunes. Nothing special. Those have obviously been produced and sent away again from another set. You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020. There you go. There's another one as well. Now, if you go into the multi-track and you set up none as your template, you will be presented with the standard default Adobe Audition template. Let's drag in all of these files, and we don't want them like that. We don't want them like that. What we want is we want that one and that one. We'll just take a couple of each, shall we? How about that? And that one. Okay, so there they are. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. So what we'll do first is we are going to route all of these through a bus, because we're going to have some standard processing on. So add a bus, a stereo bus, and there it is, bus A, and then we will add on to that as a track effect. We will add on to that some processing. Okay, Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. Okay, so that's that done. Now let's go back to track 1 and let's add on to there. I want to add on something that we can really hear. I'm going to go for modulation and chorus. I'm going to go for a 5-voice chorus, which you will be able to hear. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. And there it is. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020. There you go. So you can clearly hear there that there are effects on that track. Now, if I was to take these and move them all to track 2, because this is a track effect we have applied in clip track 1, if I play them from here, and then we will route them back through that bus A, just so they get the standard vocal processing. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live. No chorus, because it's a track effect. But now, if I add into here a clip effect, and I go in here, modulation, chorus, and we will have that 5-voice chorus again, you can now hear that we have a chorus back. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. DJ Jimmy Mac is, but only on track 1, now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. Or to be more accurate, only on the first clip 1, because it is a clip effect. So that now means that if I put them all back up to the top, they will all have the chorus. You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020. You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020. They've all got the chorus if I put them there, but now I can move them to here and they will go through our bus. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. Just that one with the chorus. DJ Jimmy Mac is now. And even if I move them all to track 3, you'll hear the chorus with no other processing now, because this is not routed through the bus, but you'll hear the chorus. DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. DJ Jimmy Mac is now. So then what I could go on to do is I could select this clip and I could now put onto there a bit of flanger. Shall we try a bit of flanger? See how that sounds? Now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. And then again, if I move them back up and run them through the bus that we set up with the vocal processing on, you can hear DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes. And then let's say on this one, a clip effect, I may wish to add a bit of reverb. So I go down to reverb and studio reverb, and we'll just add, we'll make it quite high so you can hear it, just to demonstrate. You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020. So there we are. And then the last one.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
No clip effects on that one. Now let's put them back up here with the chorus. Let's have a listen.
DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes.
So there's chorus and chorus.
DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes.
And now you can hear, because we have a track effect on here that is a chorus effect, and we have a clip effect on here that's a flanger. We now have, if we just in and out this one and play this one for you and loop it, you can hear that we have the flanger applied to the clip and we have the chorus applied to the track.
DJ Jimmy Mac is now live, bringing you all your favorite tunes.
There you go, that's that, and then we'll move on here. There should be some reverb and some chorus on this one. Let's have a listen.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
And the last one will just be the chorus.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
There you go. Those are your clip effects and your track effects. It matters not where I move this track. You will hear the reverb that we put on it.
You're listening to DJ Mikey.
And move it down again so it's not got the bus.
And the tunes of 2020.
I can move that anywhere now and you will hear that with just the reverb that we put on it.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
So I can move that anywhere because it's a clip effect. This, however...
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
That one has no effect on it directly. It just has on there a effect from the track. So move it off of that track.
You're listening to DJ Mikey.
And that's just going through the bus for processing and...
You're listening to DJ Mikey.
No processing. Let's take one final look here for you. I'm going to start another multi-track session and we will drag in, let's have 3 and 4 this time, shall we? We'll have 3, 4, 3, 4. Now, there are no effects applied to any of these tracks because we've just started a new multi-track session.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac. Request your song and shout-outs and I'll play them for you live.
Okay, so there we are. They're all going to sound like that because there's no processing. Now, why would you possibly do, let's say, clip effects? Well, if you wanted to put your processing, your vocal processing on here, you will now hear that's going through the de-esser, the FFT filter, parametric equalizer, single band compressor, hard limiter. I'm going to change the single band compressor a little bit. So we are going to get some effect from the single band compressor.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac.
We'll just add a little bit of makeup gain back on there, or output gain as it's called in Audition.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac. Request your song and shout-outs and I'll play them for you live.
And then...
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac.
You see, they're all going through the same processing. And this is why you may want to use clip effects here. Let's say I want to add on here some chorus. So I'll have some chorus and we will have just a 2-voice chorus here. We're going to add on here a little bit of, let's say, a little bit of EQ. On this one, we're going to go to the high-pass filter we previously created, but we're going to roll it right off to, let's say, 300. Okay, so we're around 300 there, 306. And then on this one, we're going to add a little bit of flanger. So let's do that, and we'll go with that one. And then maybe on this one, what are we going to do on this one, eh? What are we going to do on this one? What we're going to do on this one is we're going to go in, filter and EQ, FFT filter. We are going to use the high pass filter, and this is where you can now layer up your effects really well. We'll go for around about 300, 344 there. We'll go for, try and get closer to 300. How about that? That'll do. That's close enough. And then we'll add a second clip effect. Having rolled off the bass, we are now going to go for a 5-voice chorus. Now, what happens with these? It's quite simple. If you look here, they're all going to have their individual clip effects. Chorus, FFT filter, flanger, FFT and chorus. Okay, so they're all going to happen on the individual tracks. It's also going to go through all of this processing as well. So let's have a listen.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac. Request your song and shout-outs and I'll play them for you live. You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac. Request your songs and shout-outs and I will play them for you live.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
Okay, there you go. There's all 4 clips with the track processing and the clip processing. What happens now if I move these to track 2? All you'll hear now is the clip effects.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac.
So let's move that one back up now and have a listen on there.
Request your song and shout-outs and I'll play them for you live.
So there's the difference on that one. We'll have this one.
You are now listening to DJ Jimmy Mac.
That's without the track processing, just the clip.
Request your songs and shout-outs and I will play them for you live.
And both.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
That's both, so let's put that back up there and have a listen.
You're listening to DJ Mikey and the tunes of 2020.
And finally...
You're listening to DJ Mikey.
And up.
And the tunes of 2020.
So you can see that it doesn't matter. If you apply a clip effect, doesn't matter where you put that clip in your multi-track session, doesn't matter if you have track effects on the track or not. Those clip effects remain with the clip. Wherever you put that clip, wherever you move it to, wherever you place it, the clip effects will move with the clip. If you stick the effects on a track only and you move the clip off the track, then that effect is lost altogether. So 2 different ways of doing it. Track effects are what I would most normally use. However, in my own multi-track template that I use, I do have one track that's routed through the voice bus, which is just left with no other processing other than the bus, so I can put individual clips on there and use the clip effects if I want, still gaining from the processing from the bus. So hopefully this has been of some help to you. As always, if there are any questions, stick them in the comments below. If you are watching on YouTube, visit the website markdenham.com where you can find the entire audio journey. You can also, of course, add your comment or even post your comment to me by email using the contact form on markdenham.com. If there's anything I can help you with, feel free to ask away. If you need anything produced, if you need anything voiced, I'm your man. Ask away. And of course, as always, have fun with this and go make some amazing audio.